the airport. Huh? Cheese! Cheese! So we got one leg down and we have our long leg to go. Lord help us, 11-hour flight. Was it? The boy slept the whole time, and usually I'm good about checking our seats again once we get to the airport, and I didn't. 777 Boeing in middle row, 2 lap infants, 2 people beside us. It was terrible. I had a nurse using my nursing cover, but I was so uncomfortable. I was like, forget it, whatever. But we made it. Hi. Oh, Leo going international.
Sie während des Fluges ein Gepäckfach öffnen abfahren können. Take care that nothing can fall out and of an electronic device.
It's like 3 o'clock in Germany now. On our way to Playmobil Fun Park. Found this online, something to do with kids. I'm more excited than my kids, for sure. We got off 1 stop too early, so now we have to walk 30 minutes, but it's an easy walk.
Alright, this is my wife.
Alright.
Down there, you milking the cow?
Did you have fun?
Did you get in the water?
Crazy, just 4 years ago I was walking these same halls in the train station here in Germany, but now can you say zoo? Zoo. Yep, mama and her babies going to the zoo. Alice, what do you see? What is that?
Guys,
What is it? Huh?
come on.
Camel.